Hey everyone! Today we're checking out the Google Pixel 10, now available on Boost Mobile. And here's something big. This is the first time Boost Mobile is offering the Pixel series, so let's see what makes this phone such a milestone. The Pixel 10 packs a sleek 6.3-inch Actua display with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Perfect for scrolling, gaming, or binge-watching your favorite content. On the back, you get a versatile triple camera system, a 48-megapixel wide lens, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 10.8-megapixel telephoto delivering 5 times optical zoom plus super res zoom up to 20 times. Great for capturing the action, even from a distance. Inside, the Pixel 10 houses a 4,970 milliamp-hour battery. You can power it up fast with 29-watt wired charging, or go cable-free with 15-watt Key 2 wireless charging. And it works with Google's Pixel Snap magnet system. It comes equipped with 12 gigabytes of memory and 128 gigabytes of storage, giving you plenty of space for photos, apps, and files. Under the hood, it runs on Google's latest Tensor G5 processor, reinforced with the Titan M2 security coprocessor for enhanced protection and fast, intelligent performance. Connectivity is solid with support for Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth version 6, NFC, and Google Cast, plus full Android 16 support. Dimensions come in at about 6 inches by 2.8 inches by 0.3 inches, weighing around 7.2 ounces, light enough for everyday use. So what's the price? On Boost Mobile's unlimited premium plan, you can grab the Pixel 10 for just $299.99, no contract required. That plan runs at $60 per month. And don't forget, it comes loaded with Google AI, including features like Magic Queue, Camera Coach, and fast updates, plus 7 years of Android support, so you're future-proofed. All right, that's the Google Pixel 10 on Boost Mobile, the first Pixel series ever offered here. It's a big move for Boost and an awesome choice if you want a high-tech, high-value phone without draining your wallet. Let me know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns.